if the K value is 1.2. Okay, so if the surface temperature, so if let's say that the outer layer for this ceramic, the temperature is 45. So now they want to find the temperature and
摸错东西了。
R1. Okay, so which is the center? Okay, and also, okay, so sorry, it's R0. So at the center, R0. So which is at the center there, R0. So this point is R1.
怎么能不开？
Okay, so they want to find the in the face temperature. So which is R1, R0 and R1 at the center and also at the surface.
再去摸转秀。
So how? Okay, first thing, okay, direct assumptions. Okay, so direct assumptions. So these questions they said already. So the wire actually generate the heat. Okay, so we don't make assumptions. So there is no agent. Okay, so we can make assumptions. There is no agent for the ceramic. Okay, as usual, 100% conversions. Only thermal.
可以帮我拍吗？
Okay, so one dimension, first only in using that
我到这里不要拍了，
So one dimension.
拍到。
Okay, so using the radius.